or not. But what about local businesses? This recommendation this afternoon that everyone should wear a mask indoors, vaccinated or not, in a public setting, in places of high and substantial transmission, well, that would apply to a lot of places like restaurants, retail stores, and gyms, to name a few. See why it seems like it's last summer all over again? And remember the fighting and the fatigue that came with mask requirements back then? Are businesses ready to get back into that again? Here's Katya Stepovic.
We're kind of ready for a break.
Just when many business owners and employees itch for a break,
It wasn't really fun to come to work.
the CDC now urges the masks to return, leaving business owners once again in a predicament.
I don't know what to do. I want to protect the community, but at the same time, I also want to protect my mental stability with not having people yell at me or say that it's a hoax.
Sierra Haven Hunter, owner of Dragonfly Boutique in downtown Boise, says she plans to abide by the CDC's updated recommendation to recommend all customers and employees to wear a mask regardless of vaccination status. But she's not looking forward to the potential blowback.
We'll probably just have to wear masks again. I'm over it. But I want it to just be, I want my kids to be able to go to school. That's really what it boils down to. So yeah, I mean, I guess we're going to put signage up again.
She adds lately the store has been receiving criticism for not requiring masks as the Delta variant rises. So now it's a better safe than sorry approach.
This whole issue has been politicized to like an absurd extent. The attention to hand washing, the attention to sanitizing and wearing masks has worked. The record exchange is like fully in favor of that.
John O'Neill, a general manager at Record Exchange in Boise, says the store doesn't know exactly how they will incorporate the CDC guidance, but if they stick to what they've done in the past, they won't ignore it.
We took steps as warranted, as new information came out, and studied the science, studied all of the things. None of the decisions we made were made lightly. And this is no different.
Although right now masks are optional, O'Neill says the Record Exchange was one of the last businesses to lift the mask mandate following the city's announcement in May.
We are going to do what is best for the store and what's best for our customers. Because without the people coming in the front door, we don't have anything here. We don't want our customers dying, frankly. Yeah. That's the Record Exchange position in a nutshell.
As tired as we may be, we aren't out of the woods yet.
Everyone just needs to get vaccinated. That's all there is to it.
Nobody likes it, and having to do it, this past year and a half or so has really sucked. But we have to protect each other. Nobody has a choice about that.
I reached out to Health and Welfare to get the state's response to the CDC's updated guidance, and they said this. They said, "We are concerned, as CDC is, about the growing numbers of cases and hospitalizations in the country and the state as the pandemic continues to evolve. We know the Delta variant is in Idaho and is spreading, and we hope Idahoans will choose to protect themselves and those around them by getting vaccinated and following the recommended guidance." Brian, it is truly like Groundhog Day. Many businesses are brainstorming once again and trying to figure out how to switch gears moving forward. So we'll just have to wait and see what they all decide.
And you can almost feel that frustration from these business owners having to deal with this again. If we could make one other recommendation to go along with that CDC recommendation, don't take it out on the business owners or their employees if you decide to shop in their stores. Thanks, Katya.